Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your QuickBooks online account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add your employee information into QuickBooks Online? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add your employee data into QuickBooks Online? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, you know that it's important to track all of your expenses, and by having your employee information all in one place, it just makes it a lot more convenient. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your QuickBooks Online account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already opened up my QuickBooks, and this is the home screen. Now here in the home screen, if you want to go ahead and add your employees' data into your QuickBooks Online, you want to click on this button here called Menu. Once you click on it, you're going to see this kind of drop down pop up, and you want to click on this button here called Employees. Okay, so once you do that, you want to go ahead and click on Add an Employee. Okay, so here's where you can go ahead and add in your employees' information. So you want to be sure to enter in their first and last name at minimum. And then generally you want to go ahead and put their hire date and email if you have that available. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this in. Okay, once you've entered in as much data as possible, go ahead and click on Add Employee. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now we've added in our employee. So if you want to go ahead and edit the information or add more information at a later date, you can do that by clicking on this blue edit button right here. You can also add private notes into your employees' information right here on notes. Now, if you want to see a list of all of your employees that you've added into your QuickBooks Online, click on this blue employee list. Okay, once you do that, it's going to see a list of the employees that you've added into your QuickBooks Online. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an employee into your QuickBooks Online, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.